Hello and welcome to Deck Builders San Jose, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are talking about outdoor kitchens on decks, and when that idea works well versus when it is better to keep the kitchen on a patio or the ground. The picture a lot of people have in mind is simple: a grill, a countertop, maybe a fridge, all right, outside the back door on the deck. What that picture does not show is the extra weight and heat that setup adds to the structure. A basic table and a grill are one thing. A full built-in kitchen is another. So the first question we ask is, can the deck framing actually handle it? We start with load. Built-in islands, stone veneers, appliances, and counters can put a lot of weight in a small area. Joists, beams, posts, and footings all have to be sized with that in mind. If the deck was originally built just for light use, it may need reinforcing or reconstruction under the kitchen zone. That might mean adding beams, tightening joist spacing, or upgrading posts and footings. Next, we look at layout and safety. Where will people stand when they cook? How close is the grill to railings, doors, and siding? You want enough clearance to keep heat and grease away from surfaces that can be damaged. You also want to keep stairs and main walkways clear so people are not squeezing past hot appliances. Materials matter too. Wood and composite decking react differently to heat and grease. A deck surfaced with composite boards from a brand like Trex can be a good low-maintenance choice around an outdoor kitchen, but you still need non-combustible surfaces near the grill and protection for high heat zones. That might include fire-resistant panels, mats, or a separate platform under the main cooking area. We also consider how often you cook and how you clean. An outdoor kitchen that gets used several times a week will create more wear than one you use once a month. Drainage and cleaning paths matter. Where does grease go? How does wash water leave the deck? And can the surface handle regular scrubbing? These details help the space age well. Sometimes, after looking at the structure in your plans, the best move is to keep the heavy outdoor kitchen on a ground-level patio and use the deck for seating, shade, and access. In other cases, with proper framing and planning, a kitchen on the deck works well and keeps everything close to the house. The key is making that call early, before any appliances are ordered or cabinets are built. If you are thinking about an outdoor kitchen and want to know if your deck can handle it, Tough Deck Builders San Jose can take a look. You can reach our team at 408-831-7954 or visit toughdeckbuildersanjose.com to talk about structure, layout, and materials before you start. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders San Jose. When you are ready to plan an outdoor kitchen that feels safe and solid, reach out to Tough Deck Builders San Jose for honest guidance and careful construction.